Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the reveal for the March Magical Monthly Mystery subscription. I have the foil here and the kit here. The only thing I am missing is the dashboards. Dashboards will be in plenty of time for these kits to be shipped. They're just not here in time for the video. February, I forgot, only has 28 days, so things are going to move a little bit fast. This video is going up on Monday, and then signups start on Tuesday. So I know it doesn't give you a whole lot of time to decide if you want to skip a month or if you want to sign up for the month. And then also the timeline has been crunched together a bit. So signups are only from the 1st till the 10th, and then they will be cut off after the 10th. If I have any extra kits, I will list them at that time on the Etsy shop. So I decided it's going to be easier to put the extras on Etsy, so that's what I'm going to be doing from now on. I know before I started I put them on Shopify, but I'm still so new with Shopify that it's really hard for me to figure out how to do things on there. I'm still learning, still trying to learn Shopify. So hopefully I have that that I won't have any leftovers is what I'm hoping, even though I know some people would rather just do a one-off. It makes it much easier for me if I only have subscriptions and not have a bunch of extras left over. However, I will be posting, quick side note, I will be posting any extra foil that I have from old kits. So I don't have kits left over, but I do have some foil left over because I always pre-do a large amount of foil just to have it. And then in case you make any mistakes or whatever in production. So I have extra foil and I will post those, will go up for the March TPC sale. So if you want any of that, it'll go up in the March TPC sale and it will have the discount along with everything else. So if you're looking for some of the old foils that I do, they're all Disney themed. Check the TPC sale in March. So on to the reveal. Let me put the foil off to the side. So this month I was really wanting to do a spring themed kit because it's spring. It's usually these kits when they go out, it's for the following month. So April is what I consider to be springtime. So I did a springtime kit using some of my favorite. I've got Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse and Pluto and Chip and Dale. So here is one of, you can get either her or Mickey in their holographic, and it's just a little extra sticker that I put into the kit this month. So you'll get either Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse, depending on which one you, it's just random. I just happened to pull one with Minnie in it. So there's Minnie Mouse, so stinking cute. And then I'll go through the quarter boxes first just to give you an idea of the color palette. So it's a very pastel spring type color palette. Here's all of your glitter headers here and 4 of the colors. Then you've got your doodle boxes with some pretty spring patterns in here and all of the colors from the color palette. This I made a change to. This is the little things page. You see there's no little things on here. I took all the icons off because that was something that I happened to notice. I was watching a lot of hauls trying to gauge what people like, what they don't like. I'm trying to really tailor these kits to things that you guys can use and that you really like and you want. And so it seemed like people don't really want the icons on there. They want to be able to put their own. So I have them completely blank. So you've got a whole side of icons, little things that have nothing on them. And then the other side is labels. So you've got like label boxes on this side. And that is again in the same color palette. Then here you've got your paint swatches and your tracker boxes. And then as always, your 2 extra sheets with your numbers, your days of the week, and your scripts. Several numbers, because I always give you a couple sets of date covers and days of the week covers so that you can spread these out for not only your monthly, but also a couple of weeks. Here are all of yours. So this is your 8 full boxes. And for this one, I thought Flower Shop was such a cute theme. And I saw something, I can't remember exactly where it was. I may have seen it at Disneyland, but it was this beautiful picture that was in, I'm pretty sure I was at Disneyland. Pretty sure I was at Disneyland and not at one of the cons. But anyway, it was this really pretty picture of, and it had Mickey and Minnie, and they had one of these like flower carts, and it was a flower shop theme, and it was absolutely gorgeous. And I thought, oh man, would I love to have a kit like that. So that's where the idea came from, was a picture that I saw I think it was at Disneyland. Anyways, so I wanted to do the flower shop. So imagine the flower shop on one side and then the park on the other side of the street. And this is kind of like the way that it kind of folds out. So on this side, you've got the flower shop with the flower cart. I put Chip and Dale inside of the little, because you know, it's springtime, it rains a lot. So inside of the umbrella, they're kind of hanging out with the little flowers. Pluto's got his flower basket, and then you've got a little flower scene here. And then across the street, you got all these beautiful cherry blossom trees and the gazebo. Minnie and Mickey with their daisies. They're out picking daisies at the park. And then you've got another little scene with the flower cart and Chip and Dale and Pluto. So this is your 8 full boxes. Then you've got one more full box here. I can never remember which one is Chip and which one is Dale, but I feel like this is Chip. He's got the black nose. I know one has the black nose and one has the red nose, but I can never remember which is which. This cute little floral scene here. So you got the water can with the flowers in it, some macaroons in a teapot, and he's kind of hanging out sniffing the flowers next to it. So that's a nice little 9th box scene. Then you've got your washi and your date covers here in the floral patterns. More floral patterned date covers, and then this is like kind of like what I consider to be one of the florally pages, because you've got your full boxes here, which these ones are great for we have the script overlays, which I'll show you in the foil when we get to the foil, that I have some for this. And then you've got some rounded half boxes, and you've got a little strip of washi down here. Then this page has your dividers and your tracker, to-dos, today's importance, doodle boxes, and movie marquee. Then this is one of the functional pages. So these are all your pattern boxes. You go all the way from full size down to dividers. And then these are in that same floral pattern. And I know things probably look a little bit washed out because of how so many lights on this, but these really are beautiful, vibrant. I mean, it's really, really pretty kit. I love, love, love the way this came out. Here are your there's one color missing off of here. I can't remember which one it is, but since there's only 4 sets here, you only have 4 of the 5 colors that I use. And these are just the color palette in half boxes and quarter boxes. And then we will get into the monthly kit. So for the monthly kit, as always, you're going to get your days of the month. So you can use it anytime you want. You're going to get your days of the week, your date dots. Remember, this is the monthly, your bill trackers, and a few scripts. And then here is your sidebar, which, remember, these kits are made to go with either side. So no matter what kind of planner you have, right or left on your sidebar, they should work just fine. Got a full box here of the park, some half boxes and quarter boxes, more scripts. Then here is Flower Shop with Mickey and Minnie out front. And this is your big part that goes on the top, and you put your days of the week here. And then you've got some half boxes and glitter strips. And then this one is for the other side. And this is the one that has the removable box on either side. So depending on which side your, sidebar. Yep, I can talk today. Your sidebar is you would remove the box and your sidebar could go over there. Or what I've been doing, because I don't want to lose any of my picture up here, is that I will bring my sidebar down below it and leave the whole thing. But that's just me. Then you've got half boxes, more bill dues and paydays, stuff like that. So this is the monthly. Then I'll get into the foil. I said glitter because I was looking at these. Into the foil. So this month I picked like this really cute, it's really pretty matte copper. It's very pretty. I'll show it to you next to the boxes. See how they go together very well. It's very pretty together. So there's that. And now I'll go through these. So this one has your quote boxes, your overlays. These are 2 half boxes and a full box. And then you've got your full box overlays here and your dividers. Then this one here is your washi. So you've got an underlay here. These are all deco at the top. And then you've got you've got a couple of different sizes here. So you've got a skinny, you've got the next size up, and then the bigger ones. And so it's springtime, or Mickey and Minnie kissing, or just your regular overlay. Then 8 more overlay boxes, 17 underlay boxes, and then your weekend numbers, scripts, icons, that kind of stuff. So it's a very, very pretty foil choice, I think, for this particular kit. So I think that's pretty much it for me to tell you about. The only thing is just to remember that signups will be literally tomorrow, and they are only going to go on till the 10th. So if you want to make any changes to your subscription or you want to add a subscription, the 1st until the 10th is when you were going to want to do that. And so that's it. This is everything. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon with the actual March release for the TPC sale, which will be everything else besides this. So anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.